Hi there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-along of Beautiful Things as recorded by Benson Boone. I do want to mention that this song has been raised a whole step from the original key from B flat. So if you try to play these chords along with the original recording, it will not work. The recording has been raised. What we're going to do in this video is, first of all, I'll teach you the chords on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Then I'll teach you the chords on baritone DGBE ukulele, and then I will talk strumming. I want to remind you that if you like this song and you like the chords that I've chosen or have deciphered, you can find the tabs or the chord chart for this song on my website at UkeStuff.info, and you can go down to tabs from uke playlongs and go down to Beautiful Things alphabetically, and it will be there for you as a chord chart or tab. If you want to support this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. Also, I have 2 books of chord melodies, which is a way to play the melody and the chords with just your thumb, available at buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, also on Apple Books, also on Amazon, both for Kindle and print, a collection both for Christmas carols and hymns if you're interested. Now let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. For soprano, concert, tenor ukulele, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Flight Nighthawk concert ukulele. The first chord you'll need is the F chord. Then you'll need the C chord. Then you'll need the G chord. Then you'll need the A minor chord. Then you'll need a 4-finger chord, the A flat diminished 7. Put down 2 fingers first on the 4th and 2nd strings at the 1st fret, and then put the other 2 fingers down around it. There's that chord, and then a D minor chord. So then we'll also need 4 individual notes during the song. So first finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret for an F. 3rd string open for a C. Let's see, 2nd string 3rd fret for a G, and 1st string open for an A. And those are the chords and notes that you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's talk about baritone. For baritone, I'll be using this instrument. This is my Tom concert ukulele. It's not a baritone, but it has Pepe Romero baby baritone strings on it, so I can play it like a DGBE baritone. All right, the first chord you need is an F chord. Now, don't let that discourage you. Take your first finger, put it across strings 1 and 2, right above the middle 1st fret. Pull against the fretboard. Add your thumb for some support, and then add 2 fingers. That's your F chord. The secret in bar chords is pulling, not pinching. Also, to check the action of your instrument, we'll talk about that at another time. I've talked about it in other videos as well. So, first the F chord, then the C chord, then the G chord, then the A minor chord, then the A flat diminish 7. So think about making your D chord, but instead drop what I would drop my ring finger and then slide up 1 fret. So you're on strings 3 and 1 at the 1st fret, and then a D minor chord. Now, we also need some individual notes at one point of the song. So you'll need the F on the 4th string, 3rd fret. You'll need the C on the 2nd string, 1st fret. You'll need the G on the 3rd string open, and you'll need the A on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So those are the individual notes you need as well. So those are the chords and notes you need for the song. Now let's talk about strumming. Now, as we begin talking about strumming, please remember there are 3 rules about strumming. First of all, you need to play the right chord at the right time. Second, you need to keep a steady beat. And third, whatever you play, the style needs to fit the music. So as long as you're doing that, there is no right strumming pattern. The #1 question on the Uke Playlongs channel is, what's the strumming pattern? In fact, I delete those questions because that's why I make these videos. The truth is, even though there are strumming patterns that fit better than others, there's really seldom a singular answer that's right all the time. And then in those rare cases, usually it's a player like Is This Over the Rainbow, where you've got to have a specially tuned ukulele to really get that same effect. So Is used a low G ukulele. If you play it on high G, it doesn't quite sound the same. So that said, very seldom is there a singular right answer. It's just making sure, again, right chords at the right time, right tempo, and then that you play a style that matches the music. So let's begin taking a look at this. I hear 3 distinct strumming patterns in the song. Let's talk about them. All right, the first thing I hear is simply a down strum. You could use your finger or your thumb. I usually use my thumb for that. And then picking strings 3, 2, 1. So at the very, very beginning, and this happens for a lot of the song, you get a strum, strum. I usually double with that extra strum at the end, but that works really well for the song. Also works on baritone. Let me show you. Works really well. The next thing is individual notes, and I hear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, with a stress on 1 and 4 on each of the notes, like this. Now let me do that on baritone as well. So those are the singular notes. Now there's one more thing to add. The other one I hear is sort of a faster, stronger pattern during that please stay part. And what I hear is down, 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 up, down, up. Now just remember, strumming should happen where the body meets the fretboard. And I'm strumming with my pointer finger down and up, down and up, down to the ground, back up to myself. I'm going down, 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 up, down, up. And the whole sequence. Now let me show you that on baritone as well. So you get that whole little sequence again of down, 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 up, down, up. And that will serve you very well for Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. All right, so with those chords, with those individual notes and those strumming patterns, that's all you need to be successful on Beautiful Things by Benson Boone. Thanks so much for joining for this tutorial. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.